He hardened my soul in the grip of the rock, the shadows of the thirsty land. He hardened my heart in the depth of His love, and covered me with His hand, and covered me with His hand.
If you're a driver, and then one of your tires will blow instantly, even how good and expert driver you are, you can hardly manage your car, right? Why? Because one of the tires is flat. If our life lacks of spiritual things, because according to the Bible, balanced life is we put material things, and then at the same time, on the other side is spiritual things. So if we look only for material things, it's not a balanced life. We have to look for the need of our soul. In every worship we do for God, here, we are going to use this book, the Bible. This is the basis of our worship, of our meditation, the basis of our faith. Because we can only feed our soul by God's word.
Sowing in the morning, sowing seeds of kindness, sowing in the noon.